How would you like today to be the best day ever? Who wouldn't, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how. I'm going to do so in the form of a poem. It's titled, The Best Day Ever. How would you like each new day to be the best day ever? Would it be worth taking on a tough mental endeavor? Would it be worth letting go of anxiety and grief? Would it be worth such a joy as everlasting relief? What makes one day entirely better than all the rest? What is it that makes one day particularly the best? You'll be glad to know it calls for no divine provision. All it takes is for you to make a conscious decision. To not let weather or circumstance control how you feel. To anticipate the good that comes from every ordeal. To hold an eternal perspective firmly in both hands. And accept all things as being part of a grander plan. It's perception that determines the outcome of your day. Keep this in mind at all times, and you'll be well on your way. Each new day has the potential to be the best day ever, but it's up to you. So here's your challenge for the week. Rather than waking up with anxious avoidance, decide you will wake up with welcome and anticipation. And before you get out of bed, whisper to yourself, today is going to be the best day ever. And then make the conscious decision to make today be the best day ever. And then tomorrow, do it all over again, and again, and again. Because if you do, I believe you will break through to your next big breakthrough. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, that like button, share it with some of your friends, and be sure to click on one of the videos on the screen before they disappear. And remember, you're not alone. You are loved. Whatever you do, believe in yourself. I look forward to seeing you again next week.